everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. This is a collab that was hosted by Scrappy Tate Paulette here on YouTube, and everybody that participate are amazing crafters, so I can't wait to see what everybody created and received. If you are not subscribed to their channel, please go over and subscribe. Anyways, thank you.
So today is day 7, you guys, and this is what I sent my partner Stace here on YouTube. I made these cute little bows, and they are all from ribbon that I've had in either my stash or that I purchased from Walmart. Anyways, I hope she likes, and you guys don't forget to go join everybody and watch. I will link everybody down on the description below. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.